What's up, guys? So I got a fun one for you today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the butterfly haircut in only 3 ponytails. This is probably the easiest haircut you're going to see on this channel. Biggest thing is the sectioning, so let's section it off. The first ponytail is going to be a triangle section out of the fringe. You really just want to look at the hairline, follow that up, create that triangle, and then where you place that ponytail should be right on the forehead. So make sure that you pull that ponytail forward and put the ponytail in. And now we do our second ponytail, which should be almost over top of the first ponytail. So really kind of over directed forward. That's a key factor in this haircut. And then the back section is going to be basically over directed up on top of the head at the top of that crown area. And that's the 3 ponytails. Now, the way I want to change this up a little bit is I'm going to use the FSE Dual 20 Pro. This takes out 20% of the hair. And I'm going to use this. You can see how easy it slides through the hair. This is our brand new scissor on our online store. Now, it's got a blending side and a texturizing side. I'm using blade down, so we're going more blending, and I'm just cutting through. The reason I chose a texturizing scissor is I really want to remove weight and not create any hard lines in this ponytail. So I go through, I work the hair to the length that I want it, and then I go through, I'm using the FSE Precision Elite scissor, 5.5 inch, and I just finish off just giving it a little bit more of a clean line towards the end. And I do the same thing on the second ponytail. So just going through, using that Dual 20 Pro to cut my length, and then I go a little bit deeper in with it, and then I point cut. This is the FSE Precision Elite as well. That's in the rose gold. And now we just connect the back in. So I use the tip of the FSE Dual 20 Pro and I work through it, really just using it like a point cut technique, but just taking out a little extra hair and softening it. Now you take those ponytails out, look at how great those layers look. I'm going to add a little bend with my Dyson flat iron and just smooth the hair out, add a little bend to it, work all the way around the head just to give a little movement to the haircut. Put in a little Paul Mitchell. This is styling treatment oil from the Awapui Wild Ginger line, and then just finish off the style. Look at that, guys, all those layers. Beautiful haircut, easy to do. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Go check out our brand new scissor line, the FSE Pro and Elites.